Welcome back! In this second part, only a few new words and then a few sentences to make use of the words. First off, 下雨,下雨, fourth tone, third tone, meaning rain. And we know that 下 can mean down, and this 雨 character to the right definitely looks like rain to me, at least, with 4 drops falling down. And rain usually falls down, so this word is pretty easy to remember. I'd say 下雨, rain. 电视,电视, 2 fourth tones, television, and this 电 to the left means electricity and is combined with a lot of other characters in other words, oftentimes to create words for modern technology. Here it's combined with 视, which means to look at or to inspect. So literally an electric thing that you look at, which I'd say is quite an accurate description of a TV. So 电视, television. 台,台, second tone, another measure word. And 台 is the measure word of machines and technology, which we'll see used in just a moment. So 台, measure word for machines. 电影, 电影, fourth tone, third tone, movie. So here we have another combination with the word 电, which meant electricity, right? So this time it's 影, 影, which means shadow. So 电影 literally means electric shadow, which is a rather accurate description of how it looks when a cinema projector projects on the canvas in a cinema. So 电影, movie. 新, 新, first tone meaning new. And how I remember this is this top right part of the character, to me it looks like a top shelf. And on the top shelf, a store always puts their new products. So that's how I remember it. 新, new. Finally, a word you usually do not include in your first 250 characters, but since you are all engineering students or architecture students, we will. So 技术, 技术, 2 fourth tones means technology. So 技术, technology. Actually, that was all the characters for this week. So we'll just go straight into this week's sentences. So for the first sentence this week, we have 飞机几点钟起飞? So airplane at what time departs or takes off. So 飞机, airplane, 几点钟, so what time exactly, but it can also be just what time, even though we have the 钟, so 几点钟, what time, 起飞, takes off or departs. So what time does the plane take off? 火车站在哪里? 火车站在哪里? So 火车 is the fire vehicle, right? Train. 站, station, so 火车站, train station. 在 is located. 哪里, where? So where's the train station? Lastly, of these three, 你明天晚上要穿什么衣服? So you tomorrow evening are going to wear what clothes? So 你 you 明天 tomorrow 晚上 night or evening 要 are going to 穿 wear 什么 what 衣服 clothes. What are you gonna wear tomorrow night? So after this, a nice phrase that I know many of you want to learn. 我爱你, 我爱你, I love you. No strange ordering or anything, works just the same. 我爱你. So next up, a bit more complicated. 它是用新的技术. So it is use new technology or of technology. The "the" doesn't really have a corresponding meaning. So rather, this would directly translate into this is a user of new technology, because then you would get the 是 as a is and of would be the "the." But in this case, we wouldn't say that. We would say it uses new technology. But in Chinese, we would say it is a user of new technology. For example, of a new cell phone or something similar. Okay, so for the last sentence this week, we have 今天有什么好看的电影? And I think this is a pretty funny one because we have, let's go through it first. We have 今天 today, 有 is, 什么 what, 好看. 好看, that means when you just put 好 and 看, which is good and to look, when you put them together, it's just pretty or good to look at. And then 电影 or movies. So, to say that a movie is good, you simply say basically that it looks good. And that's, when you think about it, it's pretty logical. If a movie is good to look at, then it probably is good. So to ask what movies are good, you simply ask what movies look good, kind of. So 今天有什么好看的电影? So what good movies are there today? Those were the sentences for this week, and that was the second to last walkthrough, and I look forward to seeing you in class. Bye.